Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn the two chapters of science in GK. Okay, so the ninth chapter about atom and energy, and 10th chapter is science facts. So both are related with the science. Okay, so here its ninth chapter is atom and energy. The first chapter goes to atom and energy. Atoms are building blocks of universe, as you have studied in the science lessons about atoms. These are building blocks of universe, which means atom, what is the particles available in the universe. Okay, all matter is made up of atoms. Whatever is found in the world or in the universe, we can find these are all made up of atoms, and they also play a big role in transferring the generating energy. Also these atoms can create or transfer energy. Now here some of the questions are there. We have to find out the answer for this. First one is an atom, iron atom. Every matter we have studied, every matter has an atom. Okay, so made up of atoms. The first question is an iron atom has 26 protons. What is proton? You have studied particle which is positive charge, which has positive charges. Okay, an iron atom has 26 protons. How many protons does a gold atom have? The question is, how many protons does a gold atom have? Options A 79, B 81 and C 42. Option A is the right answer, 79. Second question, which particle is present in the center of an atom? Electron, proton, none of these. Which particle is present in the center of an atom? Okay, in the center of an atom, where electron or proton or none of these. Answer is B option, proton. Third question, atoms with the same number of protons but different number of neutrons are called. What is the atoms with the same number of protons but different number of neutrons, which are called isotopes, isobars, isotones. Okay, isotopes, isobars and isotones. The option A is the right answer, isotopes. Fourth question, who first split the atom by changing nitrogen atoms into oxygen atoms? Who was the person to first splitting the atom by changing nitrogen atoms into oxygen atoms? The scientist name is Niels Bohr, Ernest Rutherford and John Dalton. Which is the right option? Second option is the right option, Ernest Rutherford. The right answer is Ernest Rutherford. Fifth question, which great physicist first described the power within the atom in 1905? Which great physicist first described the power within the atom in 1905? First options are Niels Bohr, Ernest Rutherford, Otto Hahn, Albert Einstein, Max Born. Option B is the right answer, Albert Einstein. Option B, Albert Einstein. Sixth question, who discovered the proton? Who discovered the proton? J.J. Thomson, Ernest Rutherford, John Dalton. Who discovered the proton? B option is the right answer, Ernest Rutherford. Seventh question is, who discovered the nucleus? Who discovered the nucleus? Ernest Rutherford, Niels Bohr and E. Pauli. Answer is Ernest Rutherford. Seventh question, answer is Ernest Rutherford. Eighth question, which country gets the highest percentage of its electricity from nuclear power plants? So, which country gets the highest percentage of electricity produced from nuclear power plants? It is Japan, United States and France. Option C is the right answer, France. Now coming to the next chapter, science fact. Tick the correct answers. There are 206 bones in an adult human body. How many bones do children have that later fuse to become 206? When the babies are born, we know that infant babies have more number of bones. When adult person has 206 numbers, So here options 300, 356 to 86. What is the total number of bones in a baby? It is 300. It reduces and becomes 206 when baby becomes adult. So the option A is the right answer, 300. Second question, the largest amphibian is the giant salamander. It can grow up to how many feet? Okay, largest amphibian. Amphibians are the animals which are able to live in water and on land. Okay, so the largest amphibian is the great salamander. How much length or feet it can grow? Grows up to 5 to 6 feet, 12 feet and 9 feet. The option A is the right answer, 5 to 6 feet. Third question, which is the lightest chemical element? Second lightest chemical element, hydrogen, helium, oxygen. The option B is the right answer, helium. Fourth question, the longest living cells in the body are brain cells. How long can they live? Brain cells, how long it can live? Entire lifetime, 3/4 of the lifetime, 90% of the lifetime. The answer is entire lifetime because the brain cells can live the entire lifetime. Fifth question, who wrote the book A Brief History of Time? Albert Einstein, C.V. Raman, Stephen Hawking. The answer is Stephen Hawking. A Brief History of Time is written by Stephen Hawking. Sixth question, the hottest planet in the solar system has an estimated surface temperature of 864 degrees Fahrenheit. It is equal to 462 degrees Celsius. Which planet it is? The hottest planet which has the temperature 462 degrees Celsius. It is Venus, Saturn, Pluto. Answer is Venus. We have studied Venus is the hottest planet. Seventh question, what is the gas nitrous oxide, better known as nitrous oxide? What is the common name of nitrous oxide? Tear gas, water gas and laughing gas. Nitrous oxide is better known as laughing gas. What is the sum of degrees of the internal angles in a triangle? The degrees of internal angles in a triangle: 360 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree. Answer is 180 degree, 180. Ninth question, sound travels about 4 times faster than water in the air. True or false? Sound travels 4 times faster in water than the air. True or false? It is true. That's all for today. We will come with another chapter tomorrow.